Hello, I am Siri. Welcome to the iOS Beta News channel. How to make ringtone on iPhone without PC. Everything is very simple, if you know how to do it. There are several convenient ways to create and download ringtones on your iPhone. But most of them require the use of a computer, which users cannot always afford. About how to make a ringtone directly on the iPhone and immediately set it as a ringtone told in this guide. Note that this method of creating ringtones on iPhone without a PC has existed for a very long time. However, not everyone could use it. That's because the GarageBand application, with which we will create a ringtone directly on the iPhone, was previously paid for most users. But for a relatively long time, Apple made it free for everyone. So the method described in this manual for creating a ringtone on an iPhone without a PC has become relevant for every user. How to make ringtone on iPhone without PC. Step 1. Install the GarageBand application on the iPhone and launch it. Step 2. Go to the audio recorder menu by scrolling to it on the main application screen. Step 3. Press the plus button to the right of the recording track. In the Songs section to the Power of window that opens, select Section A and activate the automatic switch. Step 4. Click on the loop icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the Music tab. Step 5. Find the song from which you want to make a ringtone. Hold it with your finger and drag it onto the track on the main application screen. Click on the imported track to switch to edit mode. Step 6. Change the length of the song by moving the edges of the beginning and end of the track. Please note that the duration of the ringtone should be 30 seconds. For the most accurate ringtone creation, zoom in on the track by stretching it with 2 fingers. Step 7. After the ringtone is created, click on the triangle, or the inscription My Songs, in the upper left corner. You will be taken to a list of songs created in GarageBand. Hold on the created ringtone, click Share Ringtone, specify the name of the ringtone and complete the operation by clicking Export. Step 8. Done! Your ringtone has become available for installation in the menu settings, Sounds. If you liked this video, like and subscribe to our channel. Siri was with you.